Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.